Delhi's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has been arrested and taken to the Enforcement Directorate headquarters in Delhi. The arrest comes amidst a heightened political tensions and speculations regarding the nature of the charges against the prominent leader. According to sources close to the matter, Kejriwal's medical checkup is scheduled for tomorrow, with plans to subsequently produce him before a Special Prevention of Money Laundering Act (PMLA) court. The nature of the charges against him remains undisclosed at this time. AAP Minister Saurabh Bharadwaj has offered insights into the unfolding situation, indicating that a flurry of activity is taking place outside Kejriwal's residence. Bharadwaj assured that Kejriwal will soon be taken out from his residence, although the exact details of his departure remain unclear. Meanwhile, AAP Minister Atishi has revealed that Kejriwal's legal team is swiftly moving towards the residence of the Registrar of the Supreme Court to urgently seek a hearing. The development suggests that Kejriwal's legal team is actively mobilizing to address the situation at hand.